Hi everyone. Today, I'm excited to share 15 must-have Amazon home gadgets that you didn't even know you needed. But trust me, once you see them, you'll wonder how you ever managed without them. This clever device makes sweeping up messes faster and more efficient than ever. It is designed with a powerful, lightweight motor integrated into the broom handle, allowing users to sweep debris into a pile and then vacuum it up directly from the floor without bending over or using a dustpan. With a simple press of a button on the broom handle, the vacuum activates, sucking up dirt, dust, and crumbs into an easy-to-empty canister. This seamless transition between sweeping and vacuuming saves time and reduces hassle, making it perfect for homes with pets, kids, or high-traffic areas. This all-in-one gadget not only wipes your windows clean but also vacuums up the water, leaving a perfect, streak-free shine every time. Ideal for windows, mirrors, and glass doors, it's the secret weapon for those who want spotless surfaces without the frustration of dripping and smudging. Compact and rechargeable, it is simple to use and perfect for anyone who hates dealing with messy paper towels and sprays. Your windows will be sparkling clean in minutes, with minimal effort and zero mess. If you are tired of losing your phone, remote, or reading glasses into the abyss between your mattress and headboard, this gap filler pillow is here to end those late-night search missions. This specially designed pillow fills that frustrating space, creating a soft, supportive barrier. With a machine-washable cover and plush memory foam core, it's both practical and comfortable. This plant safe is a clever and discreet way to keep valuables hidden in plain sight. Designed to look like an ordinary flower pot, this diversion safe has a removable top that reveals a hidden compartment perfect for storing money, jewelry, or small valuables. It blends seamlessly into your garden or home decor, making it a perfect choice for those looking for a hidden storage solution. Whether placed indoors or outdoors, the flower pot safe provides an extra layer of security, all while looking like a regular decorative item. Keeping your little ones safe doesn't have to mean sacrificing style or convenience. Enter the child cabinet safety locks. These discreet, easy-to-install locks help secure cabinets and drawers, preventing curious fingers from exploring areas they shouldn't. Unlike bulky locks that are hard to use, these have a sleek design with a simple one-hand release system that adults can easily operate but keeps kids out. Whether it's the kitchen, bathroom, or your home office, these safety locks offer peace of mind while maintaining your home's look. This innovative basket expands and contracts to fit various pot sizes, making it versatile and space-saving. The high-quality silicone-coated handles ensure it's easy to lift without burning your fingers, and it folds down neatly for storage. Whether you're steaming broccoli, dumplings, or fish, this steamer makes healthy cooking a breeze. No more awkward, metal baskets, this one's designed with style and practicality in mind. Ever struggle with tearing foil or cling wrap? This foil and wrap dispenser is here to change that. This sleek, wall-mounted or drawer-friendly dispenser keeps your rolls organized and ready to use. With a built-in, safe cutter, you get perfect, straight cuts every time, without the hassle of jagged edges or tearing. It fits standard-sized rolls and adds a touch of order to your kitchen space. With this gadget, wrapping up leftovers or prepping food becomes a seamless part of your routine. These reusable, food-safe silicone covers come in various sizes and are designed to fit snugly around sliced fruit and vegetables, keeping them fresh longer. No more wrestling with plastic wrap or mismatched containers. Simply stretch a fruit hugger over a half lemon, avocado, or tomato, and you're good to go. Plus, they're dishwasher safe and environmentally friendly. Dog walks are fun, but muddy paws, not so much. This easy-to-use device gently cleans your dog's paws by removing mud, dirt, and debris. Simply fill the cup with water, insert your dog's paw, and twist. Its soft silicone bristles scrub away the mess. It is compact, portable, and effective, making it perfect for quick cleanups after outdoor adventures. It's great for maintaining hygiene, preventing dirt from spreading inside, and keeping your pet's paws fresh and clean. For coffee and tea lovers who hate stirring and want their drink perfectly blended, the self-stirring magnetic mug is a delightful find. With a simple press of a button, the magnetic stirrer at the base whirls your drink into a perfectly mixed masterpiece. It's USB rechargeable and easy to clean, making your morning routine a touch more high-tech and fun. Whether it's hot cocoa, coffee, or your protein shake, this mug takes convenience to the next level. This tray is designed to slip over the arm of your sofa, creating a flat, stable surface for your beverages, remote controls, snacks, or even a laptop. It's perfect for those cozy movie nights when you want everything within arm's reach without worrying about spills or cluttered side tables. Crafted from high-quality wood, this tray blends seamlessly with most home decor, adding both functionality and style to your living room. The non-slip design ensures it stays in place, making it practical even for families with kids or pets. Whether you're enjoying a quiet afternoon tea or a snack during game night, this arm tray makes comfort a priority. This ingenious tool is shaped like a flexible, foldable ring that sits inside your washing machine. To use it, simply pull up the edge of the laundry turtle, and it gathers your clothes like a scoop, making transfer easy and preventing any socks or smaller garments from slipping out or getting tangled. It's especially helpful for those with back pain or limited mobility, as it reduces the need to bend over and grab individual items. Lightweight and easy to store, it's the perfect companion for anyone looking to make laundry day simpler and faster. Looking for a compact way to keep your essentials cool or warm? This mini fridge is your solution. Whether you need to store skincare products, snacks, drinks, or medicine, this mini fridge fits seamlessly into your life. It holds up to 6 12-ounce cans, making it perfect for your desk at work, your vanity at home, or even your bedside for easy midnight snacks. What sets this fridge apart is its versatility. It has a cooling mode for keeping drinks cold and a warming mode for keeping food warm. The quiet operation means it won't disturb your work or sleep, and its lightweight, portable design makes it easy to carry wherever you need it. In an age where sustainability matters, this eco-friendly product helps you reduce plastic waste without sacrificing convenience. Made from durable, food-grade silicone, it's flexible, safe to use, and easy to clean. The straw comes with a compact case that makes it portable and perfect for on-the-go use, ideal for carrying in your bag, purse, or car. Whether you're enjoying a cold drink at home or out at a cafe, this reusable straw helps you cut down on waste while still offering a comfortable drinking experience. It's dishwasher safe, and a simple way to make your lifestyle more sustainable. This wireless doorbell is a reliable and convenient solution for enhancing your home's security and convenience. It features a range of up to 1,000 feet, ensuring you'll never miss a visitor, no matter where you are in your home. With multiple ringtones to choose from and adjustable volume settings, you can customize the sound to your liking. It's easy to install, simply plug in the receiver and mount the doorbell button without any complicated wiring. This automatic toothpaste dispenser takes the hassle out of squeezing toothpaste. It attaches to your bathroom wall and dispenses the perfect amount with a simple press, helping to reduce waste and keep your sink area tidy. It's a fun addition for kids, encouraging them to brush their teeth, and it's super easy to install, no drilling required. With a sleek design, it blends into any bathroom decor and keeps your countertop clutter-free. And there you have it. Which product caught your eye the most? Let me know in the comments below.